Today I'm throwing some LED fog lights in my 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. These fog lights come with daytime running lights, which is what this white wire here is, and they plug into the factory wiring harness utilizing the factory plug that would go to the bulb. Here you can see the adjustment so you can level the fog lights after installation. The white L here is the daytime running light, and then the 6 other bulbs here are the LEDs. I'm going to start this off by disconnecting the battery. Three 10mm bolts that have to be removed to get the fog light housing out. There are 3 metal clips that hold it in. Try to make sure that they're in the spot where the holes are if you're doing this job, because I totally missed this little guy. Throwing the battery back on to complete this installation. If you're replacing your factory fog lights, this would be all you would need to do to get it back up and running. Or if you bought fog lights that don't have daytime running lights, this would also be all you would need to do. next video, I'm going to be showing how to install the daytime running lights. So if you're interested in that, check it out.